So here's part 3 on how to get a product to promote as an affiliate marketer. And I'm going to use Amazon as an example since I am an Amazon affiliate. First, get on the homepage of whatever company you're an affiliate for. Here, I'm on Amazon. Next, I'm going to find the product that I actually am using and helping when I'm running. Now, when your product comes up, you need to get the link associated with this product. In this case, with Amazon, I would come up here to where it says text, I would click on it, and it would then show me the link that is associated with this product. Now, this link you share on your social media platform that you put when you apply to be an affiliate. An example here is how Mr. VibeZone here is putting his Amazon link there. And so now when someone comes to his channel, they click the link and then they're taken right into Amazon where the people can make a purchase. And so your main job as an affiliate marketer is to post videos or content every single day to have that video in front of as many people, eyeballs as possible. So in this example, Mr. VibeZone is creating content for this one product and he posts every single day about that product. In the videos, you can see how he is showing how it's a solution to a problem so you don't get your phone wet in the shower. Now in TikTok, in order to put a link in your profile, you need to have at least 1,000 followers. Sometimes, some people have less than that, but that's what you need in order to put the link. However, other platforms don't have that 1,000 follower requirement. So in the next part, I'm going to show you how you can promote multiple products at the same time using a free platform.